Do you and your kids eat enough vegetables? If you answered yes, by all means, go plop a few scoops of ice cream into a bowl and pat yourself on the back. You've done some great work, truly. Now for the other 95% of us, there are smoothies to be made. Who doesn't love a good fruit smoothie? But all fruit smoothies tend to be high in sugar and don't have the staying power that most of us need to get through until our next meal. Of course, a call for a spinach smoothie might not get your kiddos running to the kitchen right away. But with a few fun and fruity twists, a healthy vegetable-based smoothie can be as painless and even a delicious part of your day. They are so quick and easy to make, even your kiddos can join in on the fun. My name is Stephanie Rodehaver, and I will be demonstrating how to create a nutritious and delicious fruit smoothie, incorporating vegetables without ruining the sweet taste. Now for our materials, we will be using a blender. I will be using the NutriNinja Pro, a cutting board, a knife and a spoon, a measuring spoon, a measuring cup, and serving cups. Onto our ingredients, we will be using non-fat Greek yogurt, oats, milk, a banana, spinach, blueberries, strawberries, and last but not least, honey for some added sweetness. Now that we have gathered all of our ingredients and have them laid out, it is important to first wash your hands before we get the ball rolling. Of course, I've already washed my hands in order to save some time. So let's move on to these 5 easy steps. So step number 1, preparation is everything. In order to get through everything nice and smoothly, you should have all of your ingredients measured out properly to make things fast and simple. For step number 2, add your liquid. I'll be adding about 1/2 cup of milk. But remember, the more liquid that you add, the thinner the consistency, and vice versa. I actually prefer a thicker consistency. You could also use other liquids like water, coconut milk, almond milk, coconut water, or any type of organic fruit juices. So on to step number 3. Add your base. The base is what will provide a creamy and smooth texture. Think of it as the base of your smoothie. So we're gonna add a whole banana, which are packed with vitamin B6 and B12, magnesium, and potassium. And then we will add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, which is packed with protein and probiotics, which is great for your digestive system. Now on to step number 4, add your solids. This is a great time to experiment and get creative. Have fun exploring the various fruit and veggie combinations that your taste buds will adore. So we're gonna add a handful of spinach. Pack that down in there. And then we are going to add our blueberries, which is about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup, and our strawberries. Both of these fruits are high in antioxidants and vitamin C. Then next, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oats, which are high in fiber. And then last, we're gonna add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. So I'm going to push it in, oop, release, squeeze, and release. Awesome. Now that we have added all of these lovely ingredients, it is time to move on to step number 5. It's showtime, so let's blend. Now, I like to blend my smoothies until the liquid is fully circulating for about 5 seconds. So total blend time should be anywhere between 20 and 30 seconds, depending on your ingredients. It may take a little bit longer depending on how you blend. So let's get blending. Now usually at this point, I like to shake it because of the Greek yogurt will show. Now at this point, if it's too loose for you, you can add more ice, which I think I'm going to do, which will make it a thicker consistency. I'm gonna add just a little bit of ice. Ice is a great way to thicken up your smoothie. Now, if it happens to be too thick, you can add some more milk. Awesome. Should be done. Now for the most important step of all, it is time to serve and enjoy. Let's move that out of the way. I'll pour it. We'll add the lid to it, actually. Just let's taste it and see how it came out. Oh, that's perfect, actually. So today I have demonstrated how to create a nutritious and delicious fruit smoothie incorporated with vegetables that did not ruin the taste of the smoothie's sweet and delectable taste. Like the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctors away. Just imagine what the possibilities are for your health if you introduce a nutrient-rich smoothie into your diet every single day. The possibilities are endless. For more information or more recipes with lots of feedback, you can visit www.healthysmoothiehq.com. Thank you so much.